Hey guys, what's going on? Sir Lewis here. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I was able to scalp trade data for 102% 30x leverage. Now you're probably saying, oh, that's not a lot, but the truth is 102% 30x leverage in just a couple minutes is pretty good, but it also depends on how much money you put in this trade. You can easily make the average price of what somebody makes in one day in just a couple minutes. And I'm going to show you guys here a little bit of my strategy with scalp trading, exactly what I did. This is my Discord where we share our trades. We post here signal alerts. I've been posting signal alerts as well as other experienced traders. We have over 500 people in the Discord. And the best part about the Discord is that it's just a friendly crypto community where people are learning how to trade. And yeah, if you guys want to join and also be a part of the referral program, you guys can join in the description below. But let me show you guys here how I was able to snipe this trade here, the scalp trade here on data. And it was exactly right here, okay? This was where I was able to buy it exactly at this point right here. As you guys can see, it was literally near its high. So first of all, what made me choose Theta and look at the main thing that made me choose Theta was that it was pumping pretty good here these last couple of hours, and then it had this huge pump up. And this one was very unusual because we pumped so high that we were literally outside of the Keltner channel. And if you can see, the Keltner channel is one of my favorite indicators. Okay, we were outside of the Keltner channel, but on top of that, we were way above the Gaussian channel. Okay, so I love using these two channels. It really gives me an awareness of what the trend is and if we are way too above the trend. So I saw this when we were right here outside of the Keltner channel, right above the Gaussian channel. And I asked myself, last time Theta was in this situation, what happened? And we see what happened. When was Theta in this similar situation, right? Outside of the Keltner channel, way above the Gaussian channel, right over here, kind of similar, not exactly, but look, we hit the top of the Keltner channel and then look, boom, right? That would have been a great short. Over here too, very similar situation, outside of the Keltner channel, way above the Gaussian channel. Okay, what happened? We come down and we test the top of the Gaussian channel, okay, and we find support there, and then we go back up. And then we do the same thing. So you can see that there's this pattern here. But what I want to show you is right over here, okay? Even later on than that, this was a super similar pattern here that happened with Theta. We were pumping up to a point that we got out of the Keltner channel region right here. Okay, you see this? You were outside of the Keltner channel, a good distance above the Gaussian channel and outside of the Keltner channel, which is the key. And then what happened? If you would have put a short right here, okay, Theta would have came down and tested the middle Gaussian channel. So after looking at that for Theta, I came back and we were around here, and then I actually waited till Theta tried to have another pump, which it did, and that's exactly where I sniped it with a 30x leverage trade. So if you guys want to start trading or learn how to trade, I recommend Bitkit. I have an affiliate link with them, so if you guys want to use them, you guys can use my link in the description below. They have a demo trading platform, and you don't need a VPN to use them in the United States, and they also don't require KYC, and you can still leverage trade without KYC. So, and like I said, this was in minutes that I was able to get 102%, and I got out of the trade around 1.48. Now you're probably saying, man, you should have waited, and you're right, I should have waited, because look, look where Theta is now. But the thing is about scalp trading, you're in and out, you're using high leverage or high volume money, and I wasn't really planning for this to be a swing trade. Now, could I have used this strategy to be a swing play and used lower leverage and even less money? Yes, that would have been a great strategy as well. But one of the best skills you can have as a trader is managing your risk to reward ratio. And again, this is just a small strategy that I love to use when scalp trading and looking for altcoins to either long or short. And like I said, if you guys want to learn how to trade like this and not just get signal alerts, we also do signal alerts, and I post here the altcoins that I'm looking to short and long. Me and other experienced traders, we post it right here that are in a community. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade, scalp trade, you guys can join the Discord Invest to Rest Club in the description below, and there you guys can chat with me and other people in the community as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.